Can you put into perspective how big Indian oil LNG demand is? We talk about China and Japan. What about India?
So the global LNG market is expected to grow by almost 25% in the next 4 years. China is obviously at the center of the demand growth. But if you combine the demand growth potential in South and Southeast Asia in particular, it could actually over-exceed China's demand growth. So that's why you're seeing deals like Tellurian and Petronet LNG of India. And again, India has a significant potential for gas demand growth if the prices are right.
Right, if the prices are right. So walk me through how the prices may be wrong, how they might be right.
So even at $6 per MMBTU or $5 to $6 per MMBTU, gas does not make economic sense in the power generation sector in India. And that's why you have to look at other sectors like city gas distribution, petrochemical complexes, fertilizer plants, where at $6 per MMBTU, gas could be competitive to other alternatives like fuel oil.
So we actually had a chart up that showed refining capacity. So that obviously changing the dynamics for Asia as well. We're leading with capacity additions over in Asia. What's the significance of this? How does it play into LNG?
So essentially, refining capacity is also expected to grow by 15% between 2018 and 2025. Over half of that capacity addition is going to come up in Asia. So Asia is going to be the center of global refining capacity in the future. And obviously LNG or natural gas can feed into those refining and petrochemical complexes. There is also a hedge that producers are trying to take, which is essentially that if road fuels demand for gasoline and diesel does not grow because of advent of electric vehicles and other technologies, they would probably produce less road fuels and more chemicals.